How to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop without USB cable. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to laptop without using a USB cable. It's super simple and completely free, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and download Google Drive app on your mobile phone. Once you do that, you need to simply open it. Now that you're in the Google Drive, you can click on the plus icon located in the side of it, and from here you need to create a folder. Let's say I want to name my folder photos, then you need to go ahead and click on create option. As you can see that the folder has been created, you need to simply go ahead and tap on the folder. Once you have created a folder, you can add as much photos as you want over here. In order to add pictures over here, you need to simply click on the plus sign, and once you do that, you can see the upload file. Now from here, choose photos and videos. Once you have selected the photos that you want to add to that folder, you need to simply go ahead and tap on upload. Once the photo has been uploaded to a drive on your mobile phone, you need to simply open up your browser over here, and from here you need to type drive in the search bar. Now, make sure that the same drive has been connected in both of your mobile phone and your PC. If you are using the same account in both of your mobile phone and your PC, you can see the folder that you have created in your mobile phone. You need to simply go ahead and click on My Drive. Now here you can see that the photos options are here, and here you can see the images that you have added before from your mobile phone. Now you can simply go ahead and download the image, and that's it. You now know how to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop without using USB. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.